Hi everyone, and welcome. Today we're going on a cleaning adventure. Cleaning can feel like a boring chore. But what if it could be fun? Yes, really. Cleaning can be super satisfying, even relaxing if we think about it in a new way. In this video, I'm going to show you some of my favorite cleaning tricks. They're easy, but they work great, and they'll make you happy. So, let's get started and make our homes clean and tidy together. Have you ever noticed your glasses getting cloudy? It can be really frustrating, especially when you want to serve drinks to guests or enjoy a nice beverage yourself. It happens a lot, but don't worry, the fix is easy and fun. You don't need any fancy cleaners or special tools. Just a few simple household items will do the trick. Fill a sink with warm water and add lots of white vinegar. The vinegar helps get rid of the cloudy stuff. Make sure the water is warm, but not too hot, to avoid damaging the glass. Put your cloudy glasses in the water and let them soak for a few minutes. This soaking time allows the vinegar to break down the mineral deposits causing the cloudiness. Now, for the fun part, gently take each glass out of the water and watch the cloudiness disappear. You might need to give them a light scrub with a soft cloth if the cloudiness is stubborn. Your glasses will be sparkling clean. It's amazing. You'll be surprised at how effective this simple method is. Enjoy your crystal clear glassware. Stains on our furniture can be a bummer, especially tough ones that just won't come off. But don't give up. There are simple and effective methods to tackle even the most stubborn stains. Today, we're going to show you a tried-and-true technique that will make your couch look as good as new. We have a secret weapon: baking soda. This common household item is not just for baking, it's a powerful cleaning agent. Sprinkle lots of baking soda on the stain, making sure it's completely covered. The baking soda will help to lift the stain from the fabric. Then, spray a little water on it. The water activates the baking soda, allowing it to penetrate deeper into the fabric. You'll see tiny bubbles. That means it's working. The bubbles indicate that the baking soda is breaking down the stain particles. Let it sit for a bit, then gently wipe the baking soda away with a clean cloth. Be sure to use a soft, damp cloth to avoid damaging the fabric. The stain will be gone and your sofa will look great again. This simple method is not only effective but also eco-friendly and safe for your family. Chapter 3. Microwave Makeover. Our microwaves get messy from splatters and spills. It's a common problem in every household. Whether it's from reheating leftovers or cooking quick meals, the microwave often ends up looking like a disaster zone. But don't worry, we've got a simple and effective solution for you. Cleaning it doesn't have to be a pain. We know how frustrating it can be to scrub and scrub without making much progress. But with our method, you can say goodbye to all that hassle. Let's make it fun. Fill a bowl with water and add a few slices of lemon. The natural acidity of the lemon combined with the steam will work wonders. The lemon and the steam will loosen the stuck-on food. This method is not only effective but also leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. Put the bowl in the microwave and heat it on high for a few minutes. The steam will penetrate every corner, making it easier to clean. Then carefully take the bowl out and easily wipe away any mess. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the grime comes off. Your microwave will be sparkling and smell lemony fresh. It's a quick, easy, and natural way to keep your microwave clean and inviting. Chapter 4. Reviving Old Sneakers. Our trainers get dirty from all our adventures, but before you get new ones, let's try to clean them up. Grab an old toothbrush and some white toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste. Put a little toothpaste on the dirty parts of your trainers. Scrub gently in circles, and watch the toothpaste make the dirt disappear. Wipe everything off with a damp cloth, and your trainers will look much brighter. Chapter 5. Sparkling Faucets. Water spots can make even nice taps look dull, but this easy trick will make them shine. Cut a lemon in half and rub it on your taps, especially the spots. The lemon juice will get rid of the spots and make them shiny. Wipe with a clean cloth and your taps will look brand new. Now that we're done cleaning, look at how sparkly everything is. A clean home makes us feel good. So, use these easy cleaning tricks and enjoy making your home clean and beautiful. Remember, cleaning doesn't have to be boring. It can be fun. Thanks for watching. If you like these cleaning hacks, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to MaverixRealm for more videos. See you next time. Happy cleaning.